Okay, we've got our bottom motor side washer. Our bottom motor side washer, this particular unit here happens to be an electric drive. One of the nice things about electric drives is it does eliminate the bearings. So with an electric drive, there is no need for greasing. However, if your unit is a hydraulic driven unit, inside the core you would have two holes. Those holes are so you can spin this and line it up with your bearings and be able to grease your bearings. Since this one is an electric unit, there is no holes. However, one thing that remains the same for hydraulic and electric, we have our bearings on the back side. These are pivot bearings only. Since they are pivot bearings, they only need to be greased on a monthly basis for the pivot bearings. We have a rubber bumper stop. The rubber bumper stop is adjusted to set how far in the brush can come. We also, on this side, have a spring-loaded shock. The spring-loaded shock is what applies the tension to the vehicle. As part of our maintenance, we want to check the shock, make sure that it's got enough tension. If you were to see the brush hitting the side of the car and bouncing off, that means one of two things. Either you need to adjust the tension on the brush or the spring-loaded shock itself is failed. If it is failed, it will need to be replaced. And that is the basic maintenance on the bottom motor side washer. Again, like we talked about with the cloth, we're looking for 2 to 3 inches of penetration from the brush material.